So first for example, this is your file. I open it. Uh, okay. So for example, this is a file I make for this homework. So as I told in RTL session that it is if your block is the top one, so try to make its name in capital, its signal names in capital. So yesterday you saw Dongsu change all signal names. The reason is when we do extraction and when we import these things, so all names are in capital. So in Cadence there are names are in capital, pin names and the module names are capital. So it is better if your design is top module, so you write the entity name or module name in capital and signal name in capital. So this is, so I also change these things. And so for example, I use this RTL design for this session. And so here now if we see what is the module name is ALI underscore counter underscore R0. So this is the file name and this is the module name, both are same. I also give you one good point that that please make the file name and your module name same, because in the script somewhere we have to write the file name and somewhere we have to write the module name. So these should be same. Some tools have problem with this one, if your file name is different and your module name is different. So it is better we write the module name and the file name same. So first of all, these are the script name, it doesn't matter, but when you for the time being these are our reference script files. So we, for example, I copy it with my cp. For example, I copy it. So so I copied with the for example right top underscore module name underscore
ये इसका ये कमांड क्या करेगी, काउंट एग्जाम्पल को अली टॉप से रिप्लेस कर दूँ?
no मैंने कॉपी किया, I copied it.
अच्छा, ये दो फाइलें कॉपी किया हमने.
You see, I copied this file because these files are your reference. So maybe you have more you have I mean other designs. So you have to write script separately for all designs. So for example, I did not change this. These are your reference scripts. So I have to, for this for example this counter module, I have to write these scripts. So that's why I am copying them with another name, and I will modify, for example, this file, not the original one. So I keep the original file and I am modifying, and I am the other one. So similarly I copy other files. but we don't need to copy, for example, we need to copy this thing. Oh, why is it there? CP. Okay, CP setup. Then I will explain how and what things we have to change in the script file. For example, it is setup underscore ALA underscore so you see I copied these two files, and similarly I will copy the other one, which is default. This is very important. Default with
Same.
None. It was nascent default early.
what?
Early. Nascent.
Where is this the new one?
Where is this?
This is the new one. Please copy.
He's saying that I think right now is this.
So you see I copy every file, and the other one is write this thing, compile block. We also need to copy that one.
अच्छा ये जो कमांड है ये इस फाइल का यही फाइल
Copy, it is
अलग नाम से कॉपी होगी
The
जो हम
CP is
बताते हैं।
copy. CP command is
Yes.
means copy. It will copy the existing file with the new name.
नहीं
New name.
ओके
This I think all. So we will copy. You see this one, 1, 2, 3, and 4 files. So and other script file, for example, clock. We will not copy it, and we will not change it because it has no some information which is related to your locations. So they already make it and make everything okay. And similarly, check and hold file. This one. So we do not need to change this one. So now I open it.
idiot
So first step, you make a folder in script, and then you copy some reference script files. Then for your blog, you rename them, or you can either rename them or you can copy with different names, with another names, with your module name. And next is we will modify the script. This is very important. After that, you can say synthesis is finished. This is the main step. Because after that we just run the tool and give the path, nothing else. It's very easy. There should be one another script file, yes. This is the main script file that I forgot. CT, CMP. And it is ALE underscore this one. So we copy how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 files. So this is actually your main script. This one. This is your main script file. if I talk about design compiler, we have two scripts. One is your main script and one is your default script. But here we have many other script files. So Ali underscore counter, that is with the name of your design. It looks very similar to your very long VIDL file with SCR. So this is your main. It will invoke other files. When we run it, it has the path of some other script files. I will show you. So we have to modify the location and the name of our design. We will modify two things. One, the location of our RTL design, and the other one is its module name and its file name. Three things we will change.
Again, what module name and location and
Yes, we have RTL.
Entity name.
So if you see, we for this we need we have this thing. If you see
One last.
this file.
Okay.
So we need its file name, its module name, and location.
Entity.
Its location
Entity or
in
file
the
name.
script files.
Module or entity is in Verilog it's module, in VHL is module, and Verilog is entity, and file name. Location. It's VHDL. It's
So the usually Koreans use VI for editing. But this terminal, this gedit can be used. I like it. I feel it more easy. And you also.
तो उसमें थोड़ा पंगा है ना.
So I open all files. So you see this is the main file, Ali underscore counter underscore R0. So if we see here, we can see the some, you see LDS. LDS is Lee Dong-soo. So because he make the script, he put these script files in his folder. So we have to change the location. So now we put this file in our folder. What is its name? Its name is test. Huh?
Yes.
You remember?
Yes.
So you see we are in test folder. So this is our test folder. So first we will change this with test. So the easy way is you select Control H. I tell you very easy way. Control H.
अच्छा ये
Control H means replace.
find and replace.
Yes, find and replace. So you will do this test. So if you click find, so you see it will be highlighted. So here because we have one only matching, so one is highlighted. This is very easy. I give you this tip. You can modify these files within 1 minute. So Control H first we
H.
Control H.
Okay.
If you press Control plus H, Ctrl plus H key, this window will open. So just replace all. So here, so what I did in this file, I changed the location of the script. First I did this thing. Second, if we see here, this is the other script file. If you press find, I think it has no nothing. Yes, it has no means location information. Then if you see, this is default script. So it has also script location. You see include, it is including the setup underscore count underscore example dot script. You see, it is including this script file. So I change it with the new location. It is okay. Then open the next file and find. No. So here we have no location, but this is the script directory. If you see here, we have to modify it and write test. This is very important. This mistake waste my 1 hour. For example, if you see, it is just like a C. So your script directory now is test. So your script directory, your scripts are in test. You see previously it is this one. Okay. You write the location of test. Your block name, this thing, this one. This is very important. And the next, then you open the next one, file, find. So it also don't have location information. So the next is, for example, we will do, you see, this one is the module name, this one, design module, counter underscore VHDL. So similarly, I will do control H for this one. I will do, if you do, what is our name? Or
counter
R0. So in this file we have this one. So I will, for example, find. So it is at 2 locations. You see, analyze. If you see, this command is analyze. It is very similar to vlogin in VCS or VCS in VCS command. So it will basically check the syntax. So secondly, you see, this is the location of your file. So because I am using my file as a reference, so I write it Ali. So if it is in your file, for example, 13 underscore BZ something, so you will write your location name. So this is the location of your VHDL or Verilog. Okay. So I will do replace all for this one. So, and then I will check the next one. It has no matching, nothing. I think this file, we don't need to change this file. And then default also do not have matching. And then Ali, here nothing. And then top, this one, here we have one matching. You see, this is the SDC file. If you remember, SDC file is generated. You have to write the name of SDC file. If we will use it in P&R. And I will replace it. If you will not replace, it will generate this SDC file with this name. I think this is our code. And now, if you see, we change the, this is the our script. This is the default. So we have to change these names also. So here you change it. For example, this one. Here you also need to change this one. So it is better you do like this. Control Z. For example, you change this thing. Count underscore example. Control H. So you change it with this one. So this is our design name. This one. And this is the, for example, use. So here you see, instead of writing, I replace all. So this file is now ready. We have a setup script, you see here, and then we have the one thing. So this is the file simulation of, this is the VHDL file. So but our file is very long. So what we will do, we will change it. VERILOG, Verilog, and here extension is V. If your file is Verilog, you will write here Verilog. This minus F means file name, this file type, this one, Verilog. And other things you don't need to change. and just this .v. Is it okay? So now your this file is ready. Now let's check the other files. Yes, there is I think no need to change this file. Compile drop. So but because we changed its name, so if its name is in some other files we have to change it. Here you can see, here is also the script file setup. Only one thing, replace all. So I change it, and then in setup file there is no matching, and in top file again there will be nothing. Now one thing remaining. So what we did, we changed the location of our RTL file, we changed the name of our RTL file, and we changed the location of script and changed the name of script, our script files. Still now. And one thing remaining is the clock information. So in default file there is clock information. For example, this is very important because here if you see at line number 22, so this is the frequency of your clock. Because we have a counter, so I think its frequency is we decide its frequency is 25 mega or any frequency. So you have to write it here. And second thing, the name of the clock signal. Name of the signal of your clock. For example, here this is our clock and its name is CLK, which is capital. So here first I change the frequency. For example, say our clock frequency is 25 megahertz. So this is in megahertz. In design compiler we do the same thing, but there only period is defined. So we take the inverse of our clock and put the period there in nanosecond. Default unit is nanosecond. Secondly, here you can see the clock, this one CLK. So in this script, its name is small CLK, but our name is capital CLK. So they are different. So we will change it. CLK and save. So this is all about the changes that we have to do in script files. Is it okay? Kun?
Yes.
Bhai? Any? Basim? Asif? So the next, this is the more critical step, this one. So if you have question about this, please ask. So you see, we do not change anything in this file. So if you for example, if you will not copy it, it is okay. But in your other script, you have to write its name correctly. And similarly, if you see, we change only one thing here, our SDC file name. And in this, we change only this thing. This is test. This is your folder. Okay. So why usually in design compiler we have the same location for script. For example, in this hierarchy, there all scripts are there. You put your script, I put my script. All files are in same script. So that's why they make they don't. Otherwise, here it should be at lead also, LDS. If you see the I show you. You see here, so these files are placed in SCR. When Dangsu run, why there is no error of this location, because they are placed in SCR. So that's why they are used. So but you change the location, you can. So this is, so next is we will run the source and then we will run. So this is very important. We have, I'll show you again. Yes, in synthesis there are folders, these folders. You see, they are very important. This thing, actually, these one DB it has a database, means all. If you see the script, there are the reference you will find here. Our design is here, and this is the libraries. This is the log net list. When you see net list, this thing, net list. So your net list will be here in this folder, and these are different reports, and these are the script, and these are Verilog or VITL. So your setup is placed here in log position. Whenever you have to run the source, you have to go to this location here in log folder. So you will go in log and run the source. For example, yes, if you see here dot synopsis, so this is setup file. So where this file is placed, you have to run the source there. This one. So here you see Raza also generated, many guys generated. They follow this step. So you know source. Setup. Synopsis. Synthesis. Linux. So this is our source. Please write this one. Everybody can see. Yes. So please write this one. So in log location, you have to run the source. If you run at some other location, then there may be errors. Similarly, we run the after modifying the script and everything, we run the script for design compiler, for example. So and then we run the command for invoking the GUI. So for design compiler, we have different command. For design analyzer, we have different command. Next we will do design. If you see, you can see the design analyzer, design median, and other things. So our design analyzer and in person. Please write this one also. Design analyzer. When you run, this design tool will open. So you see it looks very old, and but design.
Excuse me, could you bring the previous one?
Previous design.
Please command.
Design analyzer and.
Yes. Design analyzer. When you run it this file, yes, you can write.
Okay. For software.
Yes, yes. So first we run the source for this design analyzer, and then when you run the source, after that you run this one. This is just we do yes, ICF.
We choose a.
Yes, in cadence. First we run the source, then we run it. Same step. So everyone has written. So that is similarly when we run, we have very good. If you see this one and that we is more attractive, and we just run the script file. So here you have to, for example, set up command window. In Synopsys Design Analyzer window, this is Synopsys Design Analyzer window. So you go to setup and design and command window. You click on command window. Setup and command window. When you click, this window will open. Command window will open. This one. So here we will give the path of our main script file. If you remember, this one. This is your main script file. That has the name of your application. So what I can do, for example, the easiest way if it is possible.
नहीं लेगा.
Include home 6. Please tell me if there is some typo error.
Leave it at the teacher, right?
Is it okay?
And this one, 1803 /
That's fine.
This is the location of your file.
You don't have pointer? You don't have pointer?
Pointer.
Yes.
Okay.
So actually, you specify the location of your script file. It is very easy. Because here we have one window and it is X manager. But in Linux, we can copy this one. If we select this path, you select this path and you can just click. It will appear here. Include.
This include is must.
Huh?
ये
Yes, include.
नोट तो लिखना है.
part name से पहले include.
Yes. Include.
कह रहे हैं इंक्लूड करो.
So there is another way if you want to short. So now you see we are in log location. So our test is in where if you go one step back and then we can also write short one. So this is the location of your script file. I write here if it is small. For example, it is you see it is include then /home 6 grade then IC lab _test _1803 then SYN then SCR
Then folder.
then your folder, that is test, and then
File name.
that is Ali _ in capitals. So it is actually this script file, your main script file. Understand? This is very important. Everyone has written.
Yes.
Because he is smart. So if there is no error in your code and you have write the code correct path and you prepare the script well, then it means you have done. Just enter. Then wait. You see it is done. So you have done your successfully PMDR synthesis for it. Usually in design compiler we can see the schematic of your design and other things. But here, if I click here, it will close. It will close. So we have done synthesis. It's easy.
Pretty much.
Huh?
No, it is looking.
Now it's
No. भाई
इसने सारे को सबको खुद ही कॉल किया ना जो
हाँ
बात है.
yes actually you give the main script Ali _count _R0. So I told you it has other script inside. You see so what it will do, it will first run one script, then second one, then third one, then fourth, like that. Why we divide job? It is just like if we have a project and we have different sub blocks. So based on the functionality, we divide the blocks. So similarly, based on the synthesis step, we divide those steps in different files because they are sequential. If there is error in my first step, I don't need to go to the second step. First I have to resolve the error. So because here is no error, so it's otherwise I did not write, as I told you, I put 1 hour. It says there is no location, script location. So I was wondering, I thought it is permission problem, and I log in with different not grade with Nikkei and Kelly like that, but same error. So because here I did not change the location of this one. This thing. If you see here, set up this one. So all script names was this one. You see here, this one script directory. So this is a kind of variable. So it is basically, this thing is replaced by this thing, and UP directory, up directory is this one. So you see, it is this one, then this one. Understand?
Yes.
So you can directly write this thing, but it is written in parts. So now I show you, for example, I did not run this. Sorry. So okay, we have to close it. It is done. So I show you, for example, if I see.
Yes.
ये thank you आपने लिखा है.
Where?
There is thank you. So is it automatically generated or you write
Which one?
above design?
ये नीचे
Yeah,
वीडियो
the
सबसे
last
लास्ट में लाइन में
से-
सबसे नीचे इस वक्त जो विंडो खुली सबसे नीचे थैंक यू
No. I think it is this one. I did not write thank you. It is, you see, done.
I said
डन से
it
पहले
is
से
generated automatically.
Yes, automatically it is.
शुक्रिया भी अदा करेंगे
All things that you see, they are.
Okay.
It is in here.
If we
You see.
close it, it will be shown. Thank you.
Why you are so worried about things?
I thought it's a command or something. That's why.
So
I said.
if
So
it's
here
there,
you
we
see-
would have mentioned.
रिस्पेक्ट राशि
So if you see here, we have SDC file, this one. So because I already have, so it is overwritten. You can see it is the latest one.
Okay, after that it will give STC file.
Huh? Yes, yes.
Okay.
You see, it has lot of other files, some timing information. So we need actually these two files, SDC and netlist. Our netlist and SDC. It will be used in other one. Also, I should delete this one because okay. So this is the location of your SDC file, and secondly, what I show you, if I show you. If you see, it has some input delay, some period or clock information like that, and you see loading. This is loading, minimum and maximum loading on the ports. So all these things you can change. For example, fan out is 8 and loading is 0.1 by default. So if you see the default folder, it is actually defined there. You can change it based on your design. If you see here, you see input delay is this one, and maximum, and similarly you see fan out is 8, loading is this one, 0.1. 0.1, I think it is in picofarad. This one. So you can change this one. For example, if you are in our case, if we see our some signals will connect directly to pad. So if your signal, particularly output signal, is connected to pad, so its loading should be much higher, almost 5 picofarad, up to 5 picofarad. But if it will connect to internal signal. For example, as we see, Damshu said, counter 5 bits, 6 bit will connect to the R con and V con, C con. So they are internal connections. In that case, we don't need internal, we need much loading. But in case if your signal, for example, other 3 pins of counter will connect to output, actually there will be big loading. So we should increase this thing. So this is the SDC file, and I show you, for example, where in net list, net. Do you see this one? This one. This is our net list. So similarly, your file, for example, will be generated here. And now next, yes, okay, I show you.
उस स्टेप के बाद STC फाइल जनरेट हुई है और नेटलिस्ट भी जनरेट हो गई है, दोनों ऑटोमेटिकली।
Yes. So this is the output of your result. If you see this file, so you see this is also very long, module name. So this is sub module. So actually is this one module. You see this one. Each module name is same, name is same. But inside you see your code, no. So these are basically, these are the already cells. This one, for example, INVX1. So this is a cell of inverter. So it has one input and it has one output. So this is input, this is output. So M2 is internal signal that is generated automatically. So we have cells and their interconnections.
ये गेट लेवल की तरह हो गया पूरा। VHDL में गेट लेवल की तरह लिखें तो एज इट इज, कोड को गेट लेवल पे।
So here we have received lot of this is the net list, and then next step is P&R, AST. So in ASTO, so is it okay? I think everybody can do now.
Yes.
So we have done synthesis. For synthesis, for P&R, we use these two files. One is netlist and one is SDC file. And again we have script. So here we have 3 script files, and just we run these script files. So here you see it is very easy. If you know the step, you just change the names and you did not change your RTL code. So your design is already completed, but now you are converting from synthesis, then P&R, then layout. So for P&R, we will use Astro. So here first you make a folder of your name, just like other people make. So you will make your own directory, and if you see some files, so it has subfolders. So here, for example, I make again a folder test, and for example, I take that reference. it okay? So similarly, we have reference design. For example, lead on. So this is TDF folder. This is a count example folder. This will include your script file. This one. And SDC folder. You put the SDC file that is generated from synthesis in this folder. And netlist folder. You put the netlist file here that is generated from synthesis. And similarly, this is GDS. Your output will be generated here. In this case, it is not generated here. It is generated in your folder. But usually we make different directories for different files. So what I have to do first, I have to do make folder. Which folder copy हो जाता है?
हाँ
कमांड क्या है? मैंने ये TDF फोल्डर कॉपी करना सीखी।
जो वही फाइल का नाम है फोल्डर की तरफ
उसमें सारे फोल्डर क्या आ जाएंगे?
पूरा DS डोंगसुलू को कर दो पूरा स्टार्ट कर
डॉट
डॉट
डॉट आर नहीं आएगा इसमें।
आर
उससे पहले फिर CP से डैश R करके फिर होगा कर्सर पर आना है और स्पेस
सिंबल आ रहा है चेक कर दे
एक्चुअली मैं इसको भी कर सकता हूँ।
पूरे फोल्डर नहीं उठाना
हाँ ओके चलो कर लेते हैं हाँ
एलएस कर दो एक बार लिस्ट करके एलएस करके देंगे आ गया सही
So just actually this command copy the whole content of the tdownsu folder in our folder. So either you can copy one by one or you can copy by this command. CP is very useful command, and here if I explain, so if you see my current location is test, so CP copy minus R recursive means if there is folder inside folder, it will copy all one. And this thing, so it is actually your source file or source folder, and here is your destination folder or file. For example, in previously we use CP, for example, existing file with another name. So this source, why I write here, if maybe, so currently you see I am here, so my source is in previous directory, so this command basically do take me back to this directory, and then in this directory there is LDS folder. So this and static means static means all files and folders, and then here usually we use if dot is used if I want to keep the name same, so I will use dot. It will copy the file with same name. If I want to change the name, it will change. So you put here, for example, like that. So here I have to change something. Okay. So first in PDF folder there will be one file, this one. So I copy it with my name. So for example, my name is TDF. So you see, I copy this file with another name, like this. So if you do list here, now we have two files. One is this one and one is this one. And what we will change later this file, I will show you. CD and here, if you go to GDS, it will be empty.
GDS
You see, it is empty. has nothing. And if you go to netlist, so it has one file. So this is the netlist that is generated from synthesis. So okay, I remove it, minus r, remove minus rf. This is remove. I want to delete this file because I have my file. Okay, so I just remove it. And here I have to copy the file. Copy the file, netlist file. So where it is? It is in Home 6. Here can I add new terminal? This is new terminal. New terminal. Because if I want to add new terminal, here another tab.
अच्छा अब 2 घंटे की 2 घंटे की खुद करने बैठेगा फिर बंदे हायर करोगे क्या?
अभी अभी गुजार लो ना टाइम, अभी बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा।
हाँ अभी ताज़ा ना, आप बोले खुद करें वरना कि बंदे हायर करोगे।
इससे सिंपल क्या होगा? इससे सिंपल
ये तो पूरा अब तो पूरी कम्प्रिहेंसिव वीडियो भी है, अब तो टेंशन नहीं।
So you see, this is the location of our netlist. So this is the netlist. Okay, this is the netlist that is generated by synthesis. So I copy this file to that folder. Copy. This thing. So I do this thing. Net.
Could you wait?
You see this file. So I copy this file here.
Okay, could you wait? We'll write this one.
Yes. So this is actually just copy command and then location of your file. So because it is generated in synthesis and then in netlist file, net folder. Here, if you on your PC, it is easy because we have many LCDs and we have our desktop. So there it is easy. So you just make another terminal and write the synthesis path here. For example, this thing you see. You just copy it and write the file name. So it is here. Then I need SDC file. So here there will be one file. You see this one. Here is one file because I copy the folder. So I remove it and I again copy SDC file that is generated in synthesis. It is in log file, log location. You see, this is the SDC file. It is in log location, log. PWD give you the current working directory, present working directory. Huh? What? Log.
Just wait, I'm ready.
So I just do two steps. One, I copy the Verilog file, netlist file that is generated in synthesis, and I copy the SDC file. So your Verilog netlist file is generated in synthesis and net folder. This one here. Here, for example, here is one is net. So your Ali underscore counter underscore r0.v. So this is net list. So it is generated in net folder. So you and your here is one folder is log synthesis. One folder is log. This one. So it has your .sdc file, and net has your netlist file. So you copy these two file in Astro location. Okay, everybody got it? So this is first step, and then if I see, okay, CMP, here will be static.
ये तो आपकी डायरेक्टरी तो नहीं है, ये तो फाइल नेम है ना।
नहीं, ये डायरेक्टरी है। मैं इस कॉपी को, फोल्डर को कॉपी करना चाह रहा हूँ इस नए नाम से।
अच्छा, नए नाम से।
हाँ, लेकिन ये नहीं क्रिएट कर रहा ना।
नहीं, ये इस कमांड का मकसद है कि उस जगह पे जाके छोड़ेगा।
उस जगह पे जाके छोड़ेगा।
हाँ।
अगर मैं चाहता इस कॉपी को फोल्डर करूँ, फोल्डर को कॉपी करूँ,
तो
टाइप ना करो।
हाँ, यस,
चेक करना।
बना देना। So just I make a, because this is the counter example folder, I make a folder with our design name, ali_counter_r0. So inside there will be script files. If we go here, there will be lot of files. You will run your design here. So here are many files, and we actually do not need. I need only these 3 files. That is deleted. So I make
ये फोल्डर डिलीट किया।
yes, new folder. Basically, if you see, there is folder of count example. So we need only these 3 files. CP I copy. If you see here, you see we copy the folder from Dongsu. So it has one folder. This is the folder with the name of our design. So because we have different design names, so I am making my folder. So it has, we have to copy only 3 files. So it has many files which are generated as a result of P&R, but we copy only 3 script files. So which are those files? I show you. CD, and D. Okay.
पहले जो बनाई थी ना बहुत सारी एक्स्ट्रा फाइलें आ गई।
If you see, it has many other files. So these are the result of Astro P&R. So we only copy these files. You have to only copy these files. And you see, here is the SDF file, here is the .v file, and here will be the GDS file. You see, so when you run the Astro, then you will find these files. So because we need only these script files, so I copy only these files in our folder. So I make a folder here, I copy these files.
स्टार्ट कर दो, 3 उठा लेंगे।
CMD step. Here
Dot.
dot. So here I have these files. Actually I want to change the name. Very important.
But ये dot slash you don't
CP करके कर दो।
Let me. CMD because our name is different. So I want to copy this file with our file cmd 1 underscore ali underscore underscore r0. And next is just 2. So I am just copying the file, script file. These are 3 script files with my name, my module name. 1, 2, 3. CMD 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. This thing, these 3 files. I copied these 3 files. So now we will modify these files. Similar we did in synthesis, and it looks very big, but it's easy. So we have to modify these 3 script files and 1 PDF file that we copy in PDF folder. So that file has its code information. First, I think that is better. Okay, I open it here. So these are our 3 script files. We will change these files. So the way simple. And another file. First, let's check this one. That is in PDF folder. So till now, everybody is clear. I mean steps.
Could you open the command?
Get it.
So what we did in Astro, I revise 1. First step, we make a folder with our name. Then we copy some reference design, and then we just rename the files. Copy and rename. And then next we will change 4 files. 1 is TDF file and 3 script files. Just finish. So in P&R is little bit tricky. For example, if your design is very big, usually we have more than 100,000 pins. So then in that case it becomes very difficult, because you have to position your pins, their spacing and everything. So because in our design we have only few pins, so it is easy. So if you see this one, this is TDF file that is placed, we copy in TDF folder, but with our names. If you do not change the file names and just change your module name and your location inside, it will be okay. But I will suggest you change the names with your design name to keep the consistency. And because if you have other design, then definitely you have to change the file names. So this is just VDD and VSS. I mean the name of the power signal. Our VDD and VSS, and then this is the pin location. This one is the pin location. In IC compiler, almost similar. In IC compiler also almost similar. So if we see, we have our design will be like this. So you have to specify its height and width, its area, and for example, it is bottom, this is top, and this is left, and this is your right. If you are using IC compiler, then this is called side 1, this is called 2, this is called 3, and this is called 4. Instead of bottom, we write 4, which represents side 4. And then For example, if you see syntax, it has syntax. I mean, we cannot change it. This is pin, and this is pin name. This is pin name, and if your pin is vector, you see it is counter, count. So it is vector. So we specify with this one, like this. But in IC compiler, we use this thing instead of this one. In IC compiler, we use this thing, and then this is just. We also actually define the layer, and but here layer is missing. And this is the important, this one. This is offset. This one is the offset. This one. This is the order of your pin. How you want to put the pins. But it till tape out it changes. Usually top engineer do this thing because he is managing the top, so he know if he put the signals like this, it is easy for him for routing. So anyhow, what you have to do first routing, then he will change with the requirement. Similarly, the area, its shape.
Excuse me. 31 is the scaling, and this is the offset, the last one, the 20, 25, 12. They are offset from the.
Yes, this one I tell you. For example, one is your core. So this is your core. This is your, for example, core. Core means without, and then you define its. For example, in other one, this is your overall, for example, area, your chip. So you define here, for example, ground, and like that. For example, here it will be your VDD, and for example, this is your VDD power rings, and this is, for example, your VSS, like that. So you define its ring, power rings, groundings, just like we do in that one. So this numbering, basically in this, it is from here. For example, if it is left, so it will start from here. So this will be your, if you write, for example, 12, so this is in micrometer. This one is in micro, its location. So it will be from here. And if it is your top, so it will be from this side. For example, here if you see top 23, so 23 is basically, it will be here like this, 23 micro. So when you place your pins, it is very important, the area and the shape and the pin location. So for example, in the top, how it will be placed. So usually top designer will make it, and maybe he will request you make its area like this, or usually they specify that you have area like this. So you make your area in that form, and usually he will guide you that make your input on this side, these input on this side, like that. And if it is your right, it is again like from here, and if you on bottom, it will be from here. So here you see we have pins only on bottom and top. So 2 pins top and other one in bottom. So if you want to, for example, put on left, you just put left and set its offset, and right, it will be on right.
What is this 3 numbers, 31?
I don't know actually about this one. This format is very old. I am familiar with the design compiler, but only I know these few. I learned only about this that yesterday Damsu tell. This one. So anyhow, this is the pin location. You usually in IC compiler we have 2 scripts, and in one script we have this information. Exactly similar. Syntax is different. You specify the even metal layer, and you specify other things also. So that Dr. said, this is your pin size. For example, because it is on this is 0.5, and this one is 2 micro. This one, and its width is 0.5. This one. So this is your pin. If you want to change 1 by 1 or 2, it's up to you. So usually there is, for every process there is a minimum spacing. if you see here, this is 12 and then 15, then 18, then 21. So usually there is minimum spacing, just like in
Metal
we have
millimeter.
0.23 micron. So we cannot reduce the spacing between beyond that one. So anyhow, if your design is smaller and you have many pins, you make it close. So you can reduce the spacing. For example, 12, 13, 14 like that, or 12, 12.5, 12 point like that. If your area is smaller and you have more pins. So first you change this thing. So in our design, if we see, we have this is the example. So we will change it because we have, if you see this thing, we have a clock, reset, enable, clear, and then counter is 10 bit. So we have to change this file. Okay, I just copy, for example, I add more signal. Enable and then CL.
None. 28. 28.
Yes. Okay. 29. So it is. I just take this thing. So this is very important. Your name, signal name should be same. You will see it is defined in your RTL level. If you write the name in RTL, that is follow through until your layout. So try to write good names, short names, and all names should be in capital. Name should be meaningful. For example, clear. So it should be like CLR, or you can write complete clear. If you write just B, so who know what is B? Just like reset, enable. So name should be very proper and meaningful. So similarly, we have 10 bit counter. So I add here more. For example, this is 98909. This is 36. Then 39. I follow the same. Otherwise, you can change. For example, this one 9. So we have done this thing. You have to, in this file, you have to just put your signals. So you just think if you have if your design has 500 pins, then it is very difficult, it's time consuming. So, and sometimes you have to change the pin location and their order many times. So this, in that case, it will take long time. So then you have to use different techniques that you do this thing automatically. Particularly, for example, if there is SPI, we have SPI in every design for testing measurement. So SPI signals are very lot of signals, and it depends on your design. So is it okay?
Okay.
So we have finished this file.
तो जल्दी का इंटरेस्ट लूज कर दें.
ब्रेक करनी है, ब्रेक कर दें.
नहीं ब्रेक नहीं, कंटिन्यू कर.
कितनी देर और होगी?
भूख लग गई।
वहाँ पे डिपेंड करता है.
भूल गई हूँ, भूख की बात नहीं है, वहाँ उसने काम किया था।
कब है लास्ट, कब है टेक ऑफ?
Okay, maybe 10 minutes. So now we will change the scripts. So it is very easy. If you see, this is your design, this is your net list. So very simple. Control H and then change it. Okay, this is here. If you see, you will find lot of. We have lot of replacement. So you just Control H, or in VI you just use the replace command. So I will just replace R. Here you change nothing. Then second, you find in second script. You see. Second script is also same. We replace R. and similarly in this file we have this thing. You see lot of these things. So you just replace all. And one another thing, because we copy these things from some other one. So let's check. That was from LDS. Yes. So find yes, there are some LDS. You remember?
Yes.
So we have to change LDS into test. And similarly, if there may be LDS, replace LDS with test. So here there is nothing. So we change the just location and our design name in these script. So I think it is now done, and we are ready for next step. And that one is okay. Move to your folder. For example, design folder, where scripts are placed. So here your scripts are placed. So you just run the source file. I don't remember. I will also keep that. So it is source. Again Astro. So Astro 2006.
6.
So this is your script. You can copy. And then you run the command. Astro underscore space minus galaxy. And 1%. Please write. So you see, it is easy. These are just steps. If you do 1000 design, this will be same. So this is just process. You have to learn the process. In digital, your main is your design RTL. So if you put effort there, you verify it, and then next these are the steps. Here, if we compare synthesis and P&R is little bit difficult, particularly if you have more pins, and it has more. I always experience more errors in P&R rather than synthesis, because if you have to define the area of your code. Here we did not define the area. No, we defined the area, height and width actually. If we see here, we in one script we define the core width, core height. So it is 50-50. And flip low, and this one is the 8.5. You know these things? I explain little. So this is the core height. For example, this is my core, and this is its height and width. This one. This is the core width 50. This one. This one will be 50, and this one will be 50. So you have to define it, and then core to right. This is the spacing. I mean this core to right. This one, and core to left, core to top, core to right. So this will be your actual area. This thing like this, and here you define the rings. This one. The important things, this thing should be greater, and means your ring should be here, not the here. You define the another script. You define the ring position. So if you make their distance greater than this, so there will be no ring. You cannot see the rings in your design. Anyhow, I think our design is very small, and 50-50 is very okay. So you don't change, and you just complete your homework. And then next is the so everybody has written.
Connections by
No, it will run. So similarly, we have this window. So this is your ASTRO window. Here you click on TCL.
कहाँ पे?
TCL. You are keying TCL ready. TCL. So here you just write the scripts. For example, you write the source. You run your script for CMD 1 underscore counter underscore R0 dot SCR. So this is you run your first script first. Oh, yes. Source and script name. Can you read? This is this you write source and then script name CMD1. So if you see we are at the location where scripts are placed. We are in the same folder. CMD underscore, for example, Ali underscore counter underscore R0. So this is our first script. Then we will run CMD2, then CMD3 similarly, one by one. So you just enter, you write and enter, it will run. And it will take some time, and maybe we have some errors. Huh?
Error.
Source?
CMD लिखा था या कुछ और लिखा?
Hmm? CMD1 not SCR. SCR. We have no SCR. So if you write SCR,